Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Glinda from The Wicked and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this, and I'm sorry for my glitter because sometimes it's not working. And here I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in dress to impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle from the pedal update and you're going to toggle it back and remove the flower. And this earring, color it with this color for the first selection and for the next selection. And then you're going to choose this hairstyle and you're going to remove the bangs. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to select this heel, this one, and then I'm going to color it with this color. Wait, let me show you the color code. You can color it with this color for the first selection and also the next selection. Okay, this is for the color code guys. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room or the dressing room here, and I'm going to choose the skirt from the currency items, this one, and then we're going to remove the layer and color it with the same color, this one. This is for the color code, and then don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the codes item and select this dress, and you're going to toggle it 3. Okay, and then you're going to apply the same color, this one. Okay, and apply the same color like this. And for the next one, I'm going to make it pink, but I'm going to choose this pink. Okay, the next one, I'm going to select this item, and I'm going to remove the X. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, then move to this crown. You're going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the next selection, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, which is right here. And then I'm going to choose the skirt. Okay, and then I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also for the next selection. Oops, sorry. And then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and now it's done guys. This is for the final result. And again, sorry for my glitter because now the glitter can't appear. And okay, that's all the way to dress like Glinda from The Wicked and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.